Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. Now, as you all know, WhatsApp is a perfect messaging app for staying in touch with friends and family. You have been using WhatsApp for text messaging and calling, but there are a couple of other interesting uses for WhatsApp that will help boost the utility of this app even further. Now, other than communicating with the external world, you can also use WhatsApp to capture and save ideas, notes, voice memos, scan documents, and everything else in your own private storage space that is accessible from everywhere. Now, quickly transfer web links, documents, screenshots, and other files between your computer and phone without having to sign up for another service. So, today we are just going to see how to download papers from WhatsApp. So, let's start with the slides. Now, if you want to declare your exam result in quick time, or if you need to speed up answer sheet evaluation process, if you want to simplify answer sheet checking process with the help of technology, then what is the method to follow this thing? Now, in order to follow this thing, we have to follow on-screen marking scheme. Now, on-screen marking system is a useful to evaluate physical copies of the answer sheet in digital format. It helps removing location and physical answer sheets, handling constraints for the examiners, moderators, and result processing authority. Now, digital evaluation tools like digital annotations, assigning marks, total calculation, moderation is simplified and can be completed in quick time. So, first of all, we are just going to open the web browser. After opening the web browser, just type your WhatsApp web. So, when you will get the link for WhatsApp web, you will get one code to scan. You will just get the screen, and from the screen you have to scan the code from your mobile to desktop. Now just take your mobile, and from the mobile just open WhatsApp and scan the code. So when you will scan the code, your all document file will get open over here on the desktop system. Okay? Now what you have to do is you have to just take the paper from your WhatsApp. जो पेपर आपने डाउनलोड करना है, just take that paper from your desktop system. Now let's say I just need this form, self-declaration form. I'll just click here on self-declaration form. When I've clicked on download, I'll get my file over here on the status file line. Okay? I'll just click here. So when I'll click on the file, I'll get the file on the desktop screen. So when I'll get the file on the desktop screen, just right click the option. You will get save as option. Save as option में just see here, just type the name of the file that you want to save. Now let's say your file name is circular and self-declaration form and you want to save it. Okay? Just go in your drive. Let's say you're going in D drive. D drive में open your new folder. Just click here on right click करके open new folder. New folder में just give the name of your folder. Let's say you have given the name post midterm. Click here on the folder. Save your file. Click on save option. Your file will be saved in the post midterm paper. So minimize this and just go in the D drive. This PC में जाओ. This PC में जब जाओगे, you will click on D drive. D drive में you have to click on your folder post midterm paper. Now post midterm paper में you have saved this file, self declaration form वाला जो आपने save किया था. Open this. Now when you will open this, you have to open this in Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is a software where you can check the papers. Now here you will get certain options: draw, highlight, erase, print and save as option. Now first of all click here on draw option. Draw option की arrow पे click करो. So when you will click here, just select the pen, select the thickness of your pen. ठीक है? After selecting the thickness of your pen, start correcting your paper. ठीक है? You can start correcting your paper. So let's say अगर ये रॉन्ग है, ठीक है, और आपने टिक लगा दिए, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन टेक द इरेजर इन दैट केस, you can erase it and again just select the pencil. After selecting the pencil, cross it, ठीक है, and then if you want to give your marks manually, you just give your marks manually, or either you can write your marks on the sheet and you can save your file, ठीक है, you can save your file, and after saving your file you can just keep a record of it and you can check all the papers. So remember one thing, once if you have downloaded the paper, there is no need of net again. You can just simply have the access of your file from your desktop system directly. So this is a very simple way to check the papers. So all the best for checking the papers. Stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best for checking the papers.